Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So there is a big news about the latest Windows 11 update and not in a good way. Reports say that it is causing major problems for SSDs like slowing down the systems and even reducing the drive's lifespan. So should you install it or wait? Let's just break it down in today's video. So after the recent Windows 11 patch, many users noticed their SSD speed dropped drastically, slower boot times, laggy apps and poor gaming performance. Now some benchmarks even show read and write speeds cut in half. Now, SSDs are the heart of the PC's performance. If the update is mismanaging storage drivers, it could not only make your system sluggish but also stress your hardware unnecessarily. On tech forums, people with the NVMe drives are the most affected. High-end SSDs that used to load games instantly are now stuttering after this update. So Microsoft has acknowledged the issue in the past updates and hotfixes usually roll out quickly. But for now, the current patch is under file for degrading the storage performance. Now, in this situation, what you should be doing? If you haven't updated yet, you need to just wait until Microsoft confirms a fix. If you already installed it, you can roll back the update from the settings, then Windows Update and Update History, and then you can uninstall the updates. Always back up your important files before making any system changes. So yes, the latest Windows 11 update may cause major SSD slowdowns. So my advice would be to hold off until Microsoft patches it unless you want to risk your sluggish performance. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.